Hi Willow class! So today we are going to look at adding different coins together. We're going to change our focus to money. So the first thing that I want to draw your attention to is the different coins that we have in our money system. So I'm going to show you a picture. We've got a £10 note, a £5 note, a £20 note and a £50 note. Now they're the different notes that we can use. And then if I zoom out, you can see the different coins. We have our £2 coin at the bottom, our £1 coin, and then we go into pence. We've got 50 pence, 20 pence, 10 pence, 5 pence. The 2 pence is missing for some reason. And then we've also got a 1 pence. So today I'm going to show you how you might go about trying to add some of these different coins together to work out how much the total is. Total just means the same as all together. So the first thing we need to do when we've been given some different coins is to break them up into pounds and pence. So pounds, we have our £5 note. That would be the same as 500 pennies. 100 penny is £1. 500 pennies would be the same as £5. We've got our £10 note. We've got our £20 note. And we've got our £50 note. But we also have 2 coins that represent pounds as well. We have our £1 coin and we have our £2 coin. Then if we're thinking about pence, starting with the smallest, we have our 1p coin. Then we have our 2p coin. We have our 5p coin, a 10p coin, a 20p coin, and a 50p coin. That's a lot of coins to remember. So I'm going to show you some strategies, still thinking about our pounds and pence, of what to do if you've been given a group of coins and you need to add them together. So here are our first group of coins. We have our 50p, a 10p, a 10p, a 2p, a 1p and a 1p. Now the first thing I've noticed is all of these are pence. So I don't need to worry about pounds at the moment. And the thing I will always do each time is start with the biggest coin. So here I've got my 50. And I could almost use a number line and my knowledge of counting in tens to help me. So if I've got 50, I'm going to cross it out so I know I've counted it. Add my 10. So 50, when we add 10, the ones don't change. So that would be 60. I'm going to cross it out so I know I've counted it. Add another 10, which would be 70. Add my 2. Now I know this time my ones will change. So 70 add 2, 72. Add my 1, add my 1. So we've got 73, 74. So I know that that group of coins totals 74 pence. Okay, here's the next one. So this time I have got some pounds and some pence. And again, I always start with the biggest. So I'm going to work out my pounds. Now I've got £1 coin and 5. Now I know that that makes £3 all together. So I'm going to cross them out to make sure I remember that I've counted them. I've got my number line and I've got my £3. Then I'm going to add my pence to that. So my biggest coin is 20. So if I've got my £3, I've got, oops, sorry, if I do it in the right colour so you can see the difference. I've got my £3 and I've got 20 pence. Okay, my 20 pence always goes on this side and my pounds always goes on this side of the decimal. So I've added my 20. And cross it out. Now I need to add my 10. Now I'm only adding 10 pence, so the only thing that would change at the moment is my pence. So add 10. So we've still got our £3 there. And then we've now got 30 because our pence has changed. Oh, sorry, drop my pen. Has changed by 10p. And now I just need to add my 5. So again, the same thing will happen. £3.30. I need to add my 5 just to the 30 because we're only adding the pence, which would become £3.35. Remember, the pence is always on the right-hand side of the decimal point, and the pounds are always on the left-hand side. Okay, we'll do one more before you can go and start your activity. So this time I've got a note. I'm going to add my pounds again, but I'm going to do that in my head. So I've got 5 and I've got 2, and I know that 5 add 2 makes £7 altogether. And at the moment, I haven't got any pence. So now I'm going to add my 50p to my amount. So I've got £7. So now I'm going to have £7 and 50 pence. Okay, now I'm going to add my 2 lots of 10. So I've got 1 10, 2 10s. So 1 10, 2 10s. So that would be £7.50, £7.60, £7.70. And finally, I've got my 2p and my 1p. Now I know in my head that that makes 3p all together, and I can quickly add my 3p onto my £7.70, which will make £7 and 73 pence all together. So your activity today is going to be adding some different coins together. Good luck. I hope you get on well, and let me know if you need any help. Take care.